Hello, in this video I am going to show you the center widget. So the center widget is pretty simple. It allows you to put a child in it, another widget like a text widget, which is what we're going to be using, but you can use any widget you want. I've just realized I've said widget like a billion times, and it basically centers it relative to size, relative to the parent container as well. So as we're going to put it in the container, this is what it looks like at the moment, a blank screen. If I was to put a child here, and it literally is a center, you can put this inside of a row when you have multiple widgets, multiple children. Principle is basically the same if you know how to do that. If you don't, feel free to pop me a message. And in here we can just put another child, and the child can be text. Again, it can be an image if you want to, and I'm going to say hello world. As you can see, it is now centered. There's something called width factor and height factor, which basically just multiplies the height of the width, and the height and the width of this widget is basically restricted to how much space is required to display this child right here. The width and height is great, not in this container directly, but imagine if you had this center widget inside of a row or a column. It's really useful for that, for spacing things out, especially if you have multiple items. As an extra task, I want you to experiment with that. I'm going to provide you with a link to the official documentation that shows you all of the little things that you can do, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.